Hi, welcome to another allotment diary. Got some updates. I was here yesterday and I did a little bit more planting and potting things up, moved things from the house to the plot, so I'll show you what I've done. These are my tomato plants. I think is it Garden's Delight? I think is what they're called. I don't know if they're going to be happy outside. We're due quite rubbish weather. The bottom leaves have kind of gone this colour, where I'd prefer if they were more like this green, but we'll see. It's my first year. I don't mind if they die. That's kind of what I'm going for. I mean, I'm not going for things to die. I mean, I'm not gonna like beat myself up about it or get too upset if they don't survive. Let me show you the bed. Thanks James for putting another path down. I bought some more canes and I ended up planting these. I tied them around a little bit just to give them a little bit of support, and I really did disturb the roots, so I'm not quite sure if these are going to survive. I did find a baby one in there, and I'm not sure if this one is actually going to do better, whether these are considered leggy now and actually this might be happier, but I thought I'd put him in there as a bit of an experiment. My pak choi look happy. I forgot what these are. Please label stuff. Future Hannah, thanks. One of the gentlemen that ran the shop were here yesterday, so I bought some more things to mix in with the soil for that bed, which is what I'm going to do today. And I brought some more things with me. I brought some onions that I grew from seed. They're looking a little bit more like onions now, finally. I mean, these, I don't know. I forgot what this is. This has actually got a label in it. It is a small pumpkin, which I've already got in the bed, but you know, I want more. And then, oh, actually, yeah, this is a cucumber, I think, which I'm not sure is going to survive outdoors. I know people grow them in greenhouses, but I don't have a greenhouse, so outdoors will have to do. Sue from over there gave me this. She'd like this back, but said that I could have the lettuce and either harvest some of it or like maybe plant some of the smaller ones. So if I've got room, I'll do that. And I've also got some more there. I think that's a butternut squash, I think. So yeah, they're to go in. And this is the potatoes. I don't think I'll earth them up anymore. And there's my other one. The other day when we were buying things from the shop, a gentleman stopped and asked if we wanted any tools. So James went over and grabbed some and, you know, thanked him for it and everything. And he also said that he had like a plastic shed that he was getting rid of. And that's what I think this is. But James isn't here now and I'm not very good at assembling things, so I'll leave that for him to do. But how cool is that? So I can put things in there, that'd be great. I've also brought this with me today. I think some of them could do with a bit of a feed, especially the tomatoes. It's just from Wilco's, it's nothing too fancy, but I've seen that Emma's allotment diary, she uses it, so I'm going to use it too. The person who had the allotment before me actually started a compost heap, but I'm not 100% sure if what they were putting there was any good to start with. So I've covered it with this black sheet and I went and fetched some grass clippings that was at the front. So I put that in there, and I've also put some like stuff that either died or I didn't have room for anymore and they got too leggy. They're in there as well. But I think I need to make it a habit that I go and fetch some of that grass clippings. If you've got hay fever, don't go near the stuff. James nearly died. So I think I need to make a habit of grabbing some of that first and then putting some like cardboard and stuff like that in there as well. If you've got any advice on composting and compost heaps, let me know. Is decomposing grass meant to stink? I'm just asking for a friend. Seriously, no joke, that stinks. Don't know if that's right or wrong. But now I'm going to mix this into the soil and then put a layer of this on top. Okay, I didn't actually film any of that and it took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. Here's all my onions. Hopefully they'll grow and, you know, not die or stay like grass forever. And then I've also planted out, in a weird position now I've realised, I planted out a small pumpkin there, and I think this is a cucumber I think that's a cucumber as well, I'm not entirely sure. It's nice, I feel like I've been here for ages, but I've just taken my time. I don't feel as stressed now, I don't know why, like even though the plot is still like a massive mess. Got all this area to clear, that to sort out, all that to do. I, for some reason, just feel like chilled about the whole thing and the whole process. So I'm gonna leave it there before falling over, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.